Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix camera angles when painting your character in Mecha Chameleon. So if your paint looks correct from one view but doesn't match when you move the camera, just follow along. In Mecha Chameleon, painting works best when you match your character from the angle the seeker is most likely to see. First, move your character to the exact spot where you plan to hide before painting. Next, adjust your camera angle and look at your character from different directions. Don't paint only from a straight front view because your colors and patterns may look wrong from the side or from above. After that, use the eyedropper tool to copy colors from the exact surface behind you. And make sure you sample colors from the same lighting area because shadows and brightness can change how the paint looks. Next, rotate your character and check for areas that stand out like white patches, incorrect colors, or parts of your body that break the object shape. If your paint looks stretched or misplaced, repaint those areas while looking from the seeker's expected angle. You should also avoid spending too much time perfectly tiny details. A good pose and matching silhouette usually matters more than a perfect texture. Before the round starts, do one final camera check and make sure your character blends in from multiple angles. So those are the best ways to fix camera angles when painting your character in Mecha Chameleon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.